Jenna Joy! Hi guys! And diba, ano yung narinig niyo kay Chris na makeup? We're so very excited guys.
Yeah, but I'm a bit not excited.
Me too, I'm so scared.
I'm so scared. My mom is not here. Then Jenna Joyce.
And let's get started.
Yeah.
Mag-on lang kami guys.
Yeah.
Siya ang mag-makeup sa iyang face.
Also
And
you.
yeah, me. Also me. And let's get started.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Ah,
Oh wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Get your own Christmas.
why would you start with that? Wait, how did...
This is the foundation.
Oh! Give me some foundation.
Yeah. Wait, not there. Our hand. It's like a sponge.
Wait, how can I...
Wait. Oh my God, wait. Ay, meron tayong mirror, diba? Diba?
Pwede naman to gamay. But we don't want to get money. Because we're gonna get ugly. Faster, because I'm gonna fix it. We're not even gonna use our hands. So, I can't wait.
Me too.
But I'm just not excited.
You're scared a little bit?
Yeah, from my mom and my grandma. She tied her hair for a reason. Can I have some too? Why do you put also in the neck?
Para makatulong.
Well, I'm already white, so I don't need to put.
Wow! Ang ganda naman ni Mom.
Alik kay butang patid ko. I need a sponge. Thank you.
Yeah, it's like a sponge, but
SpongeBob SquarePants, I need this.
get this. Get that. Wait, don't touch it.
Okay.
It's like this. That face here. Oh my God, my skin is like.
What are you looking at?
Next is a little bit foundation.
Again?
Yeah.
Can I have some more bit? Just a bit. Thank you.
I'm gonna need it's like a sponge.
Wait, if I'm done, because
Then kami wait. Sinong mag-chat?
chit-chat. Nga.
So, kanina guys,
Done.
very sad kami kasi walang content kami.
Yeah, we're so sad.
Usually the winner.
Wait, no. My bright skin. See, I got bright skin. Even my hands. Need to wait like a performance lady.
Next, your turn. Because I'm gonna...
What? Okay, let me start with this.
Wow, the first ganda siya.
In wedding times, I don't like weddings. Can
Why?
you open this? Because you know, we're gonna put some nuts and makeup and put something in your face. And dress up. And dress disgusting. I mean, dress like a beautiful dress.
Yeah, but
But I don't know where. I don't know what. Is this one? Is this the one?
oh, wait. I think
You think yes?
yeah.
gross?
No! I said it's like glossy. I mean, this glossy, di ba? Good sir. Give me next because
Why can't you wait?
ano ba to? Para dito, di ba? Wait.
Right.
Yan ay napot ko. Wait! I don't think. Or I'm gonna put some.
What?
Wow!
Why is so ano me? Wait, this and that. I want this one.
I want this.
Okay, I don't know where to get this. I don't know where, guys.
Wow! Eh! What is this?
Show me. Show me. Look at this. Why did you even pick in there? Okay, let's do pink. I want the pink. I need a mirror. Wait, is this the one? Yes. What?
Did you start na?
Yeah.
You don't have colors. That's for the eye, huh?
What? What is that?
From the eyes, she said no.
From this?
Dili! I need a mirror.
Akin to. Hindi sa'yo.
Ano ba Tagalog ng kanis?
Oh. Wait. Wait guys, ano ba to? Prediction na to.
Better stay at home before you're not gonna get some.
Yeah. For the COVID-19, please stay
Yeah,
at home.
I always stay at home. Not going outside. Sometimes na, like, pwede man po.
Yeah. Sa kapitbahay lang.
Pag last Sunday, pag birthday sa akong mami, kay ko nagdakaw ni. Walay pulis.
But better don't touch everything for
Yeah, because, you know, maybe something happened.
yeah. Going happen.
Why do you put so many?
Wow.
Okay, my hair.
Here. Nag-search kami kanina, guys.
Yeah,
na-
because we're so bored and Jenna Joy was really mad at me.
Why?
Because we have to think because I don't know what we will do, so we're gonna do this makeup routine. Now faster because I need it.
Okay, there.
I guess it's your turn. Bro, I can't wasn't see.
What? Purple.
I picked this one because it's just like my skin.
Wow. Or purple, you.
I didn't pick purple for something because
Why?
basta.
Why is no powder?
I wish I would pick pink. Let's try with the pink. But if I like Gino, so I'll just go. I don't want like
Yeah.
wait. What happened to Gino Joy?
Pero okay lang.
Yeah, it's already gone.
Hindi siya makukolor eh.
That's why I picked the original color.
Ano ba ito yung make-up? Ouch! Oh, bata ko. Ano ba to?
Don't you check in that mirror?
Wala siya na color eh.
And that's why I picked the original color. Why would you pick that colorful? Would you want to be colorful? Do you want to be colorful?
Wow. Ganda naman ni Mom.
Can you stop calling Mom or I will call you Kuan? Him. I'll call her May now because she's sabi na wearing the maid. To maid.
Wow, nagka-makeup na ako. Nag-search kami ng yung
Contents,
Yeah.
ideas. So, we tried the whisper challenge but we don't have some speaker.
Wala kami
And we don't like Chubby Bunny because I don't love marshmallows.
Yeah, me too.
Because I'm gonna. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah. Our
Our gorgeous face will destroy.
yeah, we're gonna like that.
Like Chubby Bunny.
Yeah.
So we already did our home tour. We can
And
the
we
others.
are done. What's our phone?
Yeah. We did it last night. Why did you put so many? Do you want to destroy it?
No.
Okay,
Hindi siya makukolor eh.
what's this? Comment down below what's this, guys.
Wow, nice color also.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I wonder what's that. Let's try it. Let's try that.
What? Oh my God!
I'm so scared.
This. It's nice. Oh, very nice color.
I know, but
But it's not. It's like this in here.
lip gloss. I love lip gloss. Cause you know what?
We're gonna try it.
We don't know. We're gonna put some.
We're gonna put, please. Oh, wait.
Fine.
Wait. I'm gonna.
Ew, I don't like it. It's from the this one, ba?
No, ew. I don't like this, guys,
Because you know it will destroy.
if you're gonna make up, diba, you're gonna put here, and then wash my face, hindi siya matanggal.
Like a panda, you will become like a panda. When I did that, it turns like a panda.
Yeah.
So what's the next?
Ano ba to? We're gonna try this lagi.
Okay.
Wait. I'm gonna.
I wish I was get first. But I want this. But this is too big for me.
Okay. We're gonna try it little bit.
A little lang. I will pick the bullet. Can we ask Mayan?
Oh my God.
Okay, I have to stay.
Ano ba to? We're gonna put in the lip.
Are you sure?
Oh my God. It's lip ba?
Wait, lip roll.
It's not glittery.
Because we didn't get too many.
I think we're gonna get this. This. Because walang color to eh. We're gonna get something. No, please. You're gonna try this. Please.
Fine.
Because I'm gonna try too.
Which one?
No, glitter. Little bit. Oh, we're gonna put this. Oh my gosh!
It's not glitter so much.
Oh, it's so very nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some lot.
Don't put a lot.
Why?
They will get ugly, like a spoiled brat's lip gloss.
Keyboard. 1969.
Gosh, I'm being embarrassing.
Me too.
Oh my God! Oh! Yeah, we don't
Promise.
need it, by the way.
Promise.